Hello. In this video, we're gonna see what is a Route 53. Yes, very cool name and a cool work as well. It does very good stuff, very cool stuff for us. So let's understand it. So Route 53 is AWS's own domain name system service. Well, what the hell is that? Domain name is whenever you try to search on google.com, right? So now browser don't understand that English language, or our system or servers don't understand English. So how google.coms open? Because I'll tell you the reason. Every domain name is attached to an IP address. So it converts itself. For example, if I am trying to access google.com, it will, in the backend, it will translate that, or it will route that to that correct IP address. And then my request will go to that specific address and try to fetch that HTML page for Google, and that will show into my screen. Okay. Now this is domain name service, and we can also buy our domain names from Route 53. So now let's try to see what is Route 53. We can search here for Route 53 as well, and we can see, if you don't have this shortcut, you can just search Route 53 and you will get this. Now if you open Route 53, okay, we can click on get started. So register a domain, we can purchase a domain, transfer domain, hosted zones. We will see that when we actually make our project. For now, you just understand that it does a lot of things. It does our traffic management as well. So wait, let me show you. Yeah, DNS management, it manages your domain names. A hosted zone tells you Route 53 how to respond to DNS queries. Traffic management, now there are some policies. So right, whatever request we are making, for example, if we define that a geolocation type of policy, where we will tell them just go whichever is the nearest. So for example, if Google server are all around the world, and for example, let's say I'm in India, so the Mumbai server is the nearest to me. So we will tell them that just we'll tell Route 53, hey, go to the nearest location. So it will fetch data from our Mumbai location rather than going to California and just going to the real the American server of Google, right? And one of another policy is that latency. Go wherever the fastest is. So sometimes the nearest point is not the fastest because of the traffic, so it will redirect us to the fastest route. So that is also done by this Route 53. Available monitoring, we can also do health check to your application, well, whenever it is up and running or not. If many requests are there, so if it is healthy, our server is healthy or not, so it monitors that as well. Domain registration as well. So we will see that when we create our project. For now, it is enough for you. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.